So is there any, like, what's the downside here? Because you're getting cash flow, you're getting equity. It's a higher price for the seller. You get tax benefits. I mean, there's so many benefits. Is there even anything that like is negative about this methodology here?
Well, what you said was you lose a door, but when you're getting a nice back end check, it's not like we're that upset about it. And then also, we're helping someone own a home.
That is so nice.
So to us, okay, we lost the door, but look what we just were able to accomplish. So not really.
Well, yeah, and everybody says, well, Joe and Jen, I'm going to lose a door.
Yeah.
You hear that complaint all the time. So say you were hypothetically, because we buy houses on terms. A lot of these deals, you could get into a deal for $10,000 and under many times. So if we were to get a $50,000, $60,000 check, a lot of times, and I don't want to go too wild on you, but I know we have one that they're kind of working on it, but they keep on touching and going. But if they do pull the trigger, I figured we're going to get a monster check. And if we do, the plan is instead of paying tax on that, I want to roll that into a 1031 exchange.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I could do is I could buy 3 or 4 more houses with terms.
Wow.
Right. So maybe this one needed 10 grand down. I needed 15 for this one. And now I'm rolling all of that money tax free. And we would now turn it into 3 or 4 properties. And then the benefit of doing it that way, the cash flow goes up. Obviously, I'm not getting taxed on it. And I'm getting taxed on the cash flow, but I'm not getting taxed on my sale of my first property. And the best thing about it is once we collect those non-refundable option deposits for all of those properties, all the money we came down with, I got that right back anyways.
Wow!
This is incredible. You know what? Like, I knew this was going to be good, but I just sometimes need to hear it more than once to really realize how many benefits there truly are from this program.
Nice.